Hi ladies, I will never diet again. My name is Lori and welcome to my home. I'm a conservative Christian, a wife, mother, grandmother, pastor's wife, and my family and I have lived in Mexico since 2004. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm getting ready for Christmas and I want to make a vegan chocolate lava cake, and I want it to be oil-free and dairy-free. So I found a pretty good vegan recipe, and then now I'm doing some recipe development by making cashew butter. So here's my cashew butter. It took a little while to make it, to get it completely smooth. And here I have my cashew cream. I'm melting some dark chocolate we bought in San Cristobal, and I wasn't really sure what was going to happen. I added a little mix of my cashew butter and cashew cream. So now I'm going to add that to my chocolate. Then now that it's melted down, and I'm pretty excited with the results here. It did blend together very nicely. And now I add the 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And look at this. This is the filling to my chocolate lava cake. This is all experimenting for Christmas desserts. I don't have any of the, whatever they're called, raskins, whatever those things are called. I have to order some, so I'm going to try it in my measuring cup, and I lined it with some of my cashew butter, and now I'm going to put some of the dough into my little cup and use my filling. I'm going to bake this and see if I can't make a lava cake. Alright, so now I put the little filling in here, and then you top it and bake it. Top it off. Now it gets baked. Come out like this. It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! I'm so excited. I think it's prettier on this side. Oh, that's so cute! Okay. Okay, please work. What do you think? Wow, y'all. We'll taste it. I just need to make vegan ice cream. Oh my gosh. Wow.